And this is the first time in our country's history that an ex-president has been charged with a crime. Team 12's Chase Golightly is speaking with a legal expert tonight about what the process will look like for the former president.
Mark Caribe, I'm told the former commander-in-chief won't receive any special treatment when it comes to these proceedings. Instead, they say they will treat him like any other citizen going through the court process.
It's amazing that we find ourselves here, that a former president has been indicted, and these charges are especially salacious.
While what the country is witnessing right now with former President Donald Trump is unprecedented, former federal prosecutor and Valley attorney Mark Kokanovich says what happens next is by the book.
We can expect that the criminal process will unfold like it unfolds with any other person who's charged with a crime.
Meaning Trump will have to show up in New York for his initial appearance in person. The court will then decide if he is a flight risk or danger to the community. That will determine if Trump can be released to the public. From there, the ex-president will have to decide how to plead to the charges against him.
Most defendants end up pleading guilty. It would surprise me if Donald Trump pled in this case.
If that's the case, it will ultimately end in a jury trial.
It's all going to play out in the open.
What we still don't know at this time is what exactly Trump will be charged with or the evidence against him. All that information listed in the currently sealed grand jury indictment.
There are lots of things that are unknown when it's a sealed indictment, and it'll be interesting to see what evidence they have.
Right now, there are reports of Trump's first appearance happening this upcoming Tuesday. But if he is going to be treated like any other citizen, does that mean we might expect to see Donald Trump being taken out in handcuffs, being put in front of the people that way?
It depends.
Kokanovich says if Trump shows up to the hearing on his own, there won't be need for that. However, if the president refuses, a warrant will be issued for his arrest.
We don't know exactly how it's going to play out, and far be it for me to try to predict what Donald Trump is going to do.
The grand jury indictment is expected to be unsealed the same day as Trump's initial appearance. It will also be at that time when we'll get a better idea of what kind of sentencing he could face if convicted. We're in the Alert Center. Chase Golightly, 12 News.